flying into outer space to see the world in another place. Ziki Zikombot is calling you.
Shall we go by car or train? How about a boat or plane?
My spaceship comes in now, is playing with the speed that you might think is insane. Ziki Zikombot is calling you. Ziki Zikombot is calling you. Calling you.
Pour it quite quickly and it won't spill. The quicker a beat, that's it. Right at the top. There we are. Hello, everyone. We each have got a jar here in which we've poured some coloured liquid. All the jars are the same size, but some jars have got more liquid in than others. Mine is completely empty. There's no liquid in it whatsoever.
My jar is full, Keith.
That's quite right. Mine is empty, and yours is full right up to the top, isn't it? Now then, why don't we try and arrange these jars into a staircase, from empty to full. Now, who's got the jar with a little less liquid than the white one here?
Me.
That's quite right, Rafiq. You have less liquid in your jar than the full one. Now, why don't we arrange them into a staircase? Now, Alison, where's your jar?
I have more water than anybody else.
Excellent. Right, Rafiq.
I have more liquid than the empty one.
You do. And look at my jar there. My jar is completely empty. No liquid in it whatsoever. Now, I've got something else I want to show you. So we'll take the jars over there, shall we? Don't bring the full one, Alison. Not that one. You might spill some. You bring the empty jar. Come on. Careful. Hello, Richard.
Hello, Keith.
You look as though you've been busy.
Yes, because I've been pouring coloured water into these jars.
Have you? I see. Well, shall we call this the water line? Here. Yes. So all the liquids have to come up to this line. So what's going to have to happen to your green liquid then, Richard?
I'll have to pour some more into the water because it isn't enough.
It isn't enough, right. And Alison, what about the black liquid?
It's too much.
So you're going to have to take some out, aren't you?
Yes.
Yes. And Rafiq, what about the blue liquid in this jar?
Mine is just right.
Just right. So that means all the liquid has to be the same as the blue liquid in this jar, hasn't it?
Yes.
That's right. All right then. Well, would you like to start pouring the yellow liquid into this jar? Rafiq, carefully. I'll tell you how far you've got to go. Go on, off you go. Go on, slow down a little bit. Slow, slow, slow. Whoa, 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 stop. There. Absolutely right. Now then, Richard, you start with yours. Green liquid. Go on, off you go. Up you go. Up, up. Stop. Right. Well done. Alison, would you like to pour the pink liquid into the empty jar? Yes, a little bit faster. Yes, go on. More, 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 more. Whoa. I think that's just about right. That looks right to me. And I'm going to try and get this black liquid to the right level in here. So, Rafiq, would you go around there and tell me if I'm doing it right? I think I'm going to have to take some out, aren't I? Now, I'll take some out here. Another one. Am I nearly right yet, Rafiq? Is the liquid nearly there? Another one, I think. And I think that might do it. No, a little more. Is that right? So all the liquids are the same along our water line. Pink jar in a jar.
Hello, everybody. Hello,
Oh, hello, dear. I'm glad you came. I want to go away and prepare a game for everyone.
A game? That sounds exciting. What sort of game?
Oh, you have to wait and see.
Delia, can we fill up our jars?
Yes, we can. We're going to use the jars to play a game of Let's Pretend. We're going to pretend that this is very dangerous rocket fuel, and these jars are the fuel tanks of a rocket that have landed on the moon. Now, if the fuel tank is filled right to the top, right to the brim, and it's just right, then the rocket will be able to take off and come back to Earth. If the fuel tank isn't full enough, then the rocket's going to be stuck on the moon forever and it won't be able to get back to Earth. And if the fuel tank is too full, then the rocket's going to take off, but it won't come back to Earth. It's going to carry on to Mars. So I want you all to fill up your fuel tanks, but be very careful. Oh!
Oh, hello, what's going on here?
Well, as you can see here, Alison's fuel tank wasn't full enough, so her rocket is stuck on the moon forever and won't be able to get back to Earth.
Oh, poor Alison.
And Rafiq's fuel tank was too full, so his rocket's going to carry on to Mars.
He's gone as well.
Yes, bye, Rafiq. Gone forever. And Richard's fuel tank was just right, so he's going to be able to take off and return to Earth.
And bring back all the information from outer space.
You will, won't you?
Jolly good.
Keith, what are the trailer and the bricks for?
Oh, those are for the game that we're going to play. And the one who gives me the right answer is going to be crowned King of the Road. Right, now who's going to be the first? All right, come on over here and sit down. That's right, sit down there. Now, Richard, I think you can be the first one. Right, up you get. Now, the question is, how many of these blocks will fit into this trailer? Right, lift them out and put them down there, Richard. 1, let's count them with him. 2, 3. Wait, he hasn't got 4 yet. 4. 5. That's it, is it?
Yes.
5. You think 5 blocks will fit inside the trailer. Remember the number 5, Richard. Right. Now it's Rafiq's turn. Up you get, Rafiq. How many do you think we'll need? 1. Put it down, that's it. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 6. You think 6 of them, do you? 6, Rafiq. Right, come over here, will you? Come and stand around here. You remember the number 6, Rafiq. Now it's Alison's turn. Let's see how many you think we're going to need, Alison. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you think 8 blocks, Alison. All right, come round this side. So Richard thinks there are going to be 5 blocks, and Rafiq thinks there are going to be 6 blocks, and Alison thinks there are going to be 8 blocks. Now, shall we see how many blocks go inside? I'll do it for you. 1. Better count them with me. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8.
Who chose 8?
Alison chose 8, so she must be the king of the road. Up you
Keith,
get.
Alison can't be a king of the road.
Why not?
Why not?
She's a girl.
Oh, she's a girl. Yes, of course. We will make her queen of the road. There we are.
Let's have a round of applause for Alison.
Very good.
Queen of the road. Now, I've just poured out some cool drinks to celebrate. Come
Oh, I
on.
feel like...
Yay!
Here we are, look.
Oh, that looks good.
I'm ready for it.
Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should be enough, shouldn't it? Because there are 5 of us. Now, all of these glasses are different sizes.
And seeing Alison was crowned queen of the road, let her select which glass has the most cool drink. You think that one, do you, Alison? Do you think that one with cool drink has more in it than this one?
Yes.
You do? Well, here I've got 2 empty glasses, exactly the same size. So would you like to pour your cool drink into this empty glass? Right. Now then, you can pick any other glass with cool drink in it and pour it into this empty glass, which is exactly the same size as that one. All right, then pour it in. Pour it quite fast and then it won't spill. That's it. So, what do we see there? They're the same size, aren't they?
Yes. Now I want to have a try.
Go ahead, Richard.
I think this glass has more cool drink in than this glass.
Oh, you do you? What does everybody think at home? Do you think that there's more cool drink in this glass than in this glass? Let's see.
Right. Pour it into this one. The other one into this one. Now then, what do we see? They're the same.
Good evening, Bob.
It's Ziki!
Good evening, Bob.
Hello, Ziggy, we're receiving you.
Hello, Delia. What are you doing in the playroom?
We've been filling up jars with different colored liquid, and we've been packing blocks and having a good time.
Delia, can the children pack nicely?
Oh, I'm sure they can.
Professor Galaxy has asked me to send him 3 suitcases with clothes, instruments, and books to the space lab. He needs them urgently for a special trip he has to make to Space City 2. Can the children help me pack them?
I'm sure they'd love to. What do you say?
Yay!
They're on their way, Ziggy.
Thank you, Delia. Good evening, Bob. Good evening, Bob.
Hello, Ziki!
Hello, friends. Thanks for coming to help me. Here are 3 suitcases and some things that should be packed in them. Good evening, Bob. Good evening, Bob. Richard, you can pack the clothes.
Ziki, I'll pack the suitcase with the books in.
That's fine with me, Alison. Rafiq and I will pack the instruments neatly. Start packing, friends. Professor Galaxy is waiting. Good evening, Bob. Good evening, Bob.
But Ziki, I can't close the lid of the suitcase.
Let me have a look, Richard. Good evening, Bob. Fold the clothes nicely and pack them neatly in the suitcase. And I'm sure then there will be room to spare. Thank you, my friends. All the lids are closed. You packed your suitcases neatly. The space shuttle is waiting. All aboard, please. Bye-bye, friends. Good evening, Bob.
Hello, Ziki.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Rafi. Good evening, Bob. Good evening, Bob. Professor Galaxy will be very glad. Stand by for takeoff. Ziggy loves it when a plan comes together.
Ziki Zikombot is calling you. Ziki Zikombot is calling you. Do you want to ride into outer space to see you go wrong on another place? Ziki Zikombot is calling you.
Shall we go by car or train? How about a boat or plane?
By spaceship,